Hello and welcome everyone. This is once again Job Science with a new area from the Middle East, that is Oman, on the request of some brother in the comments. And today's jobs list, first of all, that is firefighting, fire alarm, and LPG gas work technicians, and then cleaners needed in Muscat, and then required housekeepers and laundry staff, nail technicians jobs in Oman, and helpers jobs in Oman, and need merchandiser with driving license. Next is the smart home automation salesman required, and then staff nurse vacancy jobs in Oman, an HV cable jointer license and Oman driving license available needs job. Pastry shop jobs in Oman, Indian merchant mechanic jobs in Oman, and then Indian car electrician jobs in Oman. So that was my job list, and I have so many jobs from the same country, that is Muscat, Oman, and I'm hoping there is something for you as well, hopefully. And then subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for all of the latest updates, like all my videos. Thank you. Share all my videos. Thank you. And please watch this video up to the end. I thank you. So my first job is of about firefighting, fire alarm in LPG gas work technicians. So we are looking for firefighting, fire alarm in LPG gas work technicians, and the technicians must know how to install firefighting and fire alarm system at the site. So this is the task, the duty, or the job for the technicians who has an experience regarding the fire alarm, its installation, its working, its troubleshooting, and he must know how to read drawings regarding the patterns, regarding the installations. And we prefer that we have a Oman license. The person should have the Oman license as well. All these jobs, once again, are for the locals. That means for Oman nationals and those who are living in Oman these days. So if you are interested, please contact at the given number. You can call them and you can share your CV at the following number. And then cleaners needed in Muscat. So there is another job for the cleaners. Al Mabila is the place, and this is the job of two-star hotel based, and they need some cleaner for contact, as they didn't mention any sort of the working hours or the salary package. So you have to call them, you have to contact them. So contact them and get the idea about the need of the jobs and the requirements. And you can share your CV at the following number as well. And then required housekeepers and laundry staff. Then required hotel experience laundry and housekeepers if they need some laundry and housekeepers, but they must have some experience regarding the housekeeping and laundry. So nationality, if they are interested in Indian, Bengalis, and Sri Lankans. So they are basically interested in Indians, Bengalis, and Sri Lankans for the housekeeping and laundry staff. Hospitality experience is a must and preferable. If you have hospitality experience, in that case, you would be preferred. So you can share your CV at the following number, get the details about the job, about the salary packages, about the working hours, and then apply. The next job is of nail technician's job in Oman, and that would be obviously for most of the time this kind of jobs are for females, but they didn't mention the gender, whether it is for the male or the female. So place Oman Muscat, salary would be 200 OMR, and I don't know whether it is for the male or female. So share your CV. In fact, better to have them have to make a call for them for the details and then apply. And then helpers jobs in Oman need labor now available in Oman. Visa is ready. Work in plastic factory. Total salary 110. And you can call them at the following number. If you are interested and you are doing nothing these days, then it's a good option as a simple, and I think so. Would be easy job as well. And they need merchandisers with driving license. So need merchandisers with driving license for Carrefour, Lulu hypermarkets. Only contact in WhatsApp. So contact them through WhatsApp. I think so. They want you to text them. So regarding the job, so do not call them. I think better to write the text and get the details and then apply. Smart home automation salesman required. Bushar, Muscat, I think I didn't pronounce it in a well way. So I need salesman, the person who is working there, Hassan Javed. Mr. Hassan Javed has give that a ad and a need salesman for our smart home automation business so that he can bring the business and achieve target that given to him. So the person should have his own driving license. And if you are interested, so please share your CV through the WhatsApp number. They have given you the number, Mr. Hassan Javed's number, I think so that would be. And you must have the driving license, and please no phone calls. So just need to write the text and get the details. If you are interested even in that, only in that case apply and get the details. And staff nurse vacancy jobs in Oman, Ruvi Muscat. Staff nurse vacancy. This is staff nurse. Now, once again, it is not mentioned in the job that whether it is for the male or the females. So, better to call them and get the details before applying. And staff nurse, there is a vacancy of a staff nurse for a reputed medical center, and the package and visa is available, but they didn't mention it in the ad. So better to have a call and get the details before applying. HV cable jointer license and Oman driving license available, need job. So HV cable jointer license and Oman driving license available and need job. Azaiba, the place is Azaiba, Muscat. 8 years driving experience in Oman and more than 4 years HV cable jointer experience in Oman with cable jointer license. So you must have 8 years driving license. 8 years experience in the driving and 4 years experience in HV cable jointer. And if you have that much experience, only in that case please apply. If you have 8 years experience of the driving and 4 years experience of HVK1 and you are looking for some job like this, and then call them for the further details and apply for the job. Pastry shop jobs in Oman. Place Al Amarat, Muscat, compensation 120. Looking for a cake professional for new cafe in Muscat. So they need some professional cake makers. And this is basically a pastry shop. And the place is Oman Al Amarat, Muscat. And if you are interested and you have an experience regarding the profession, regarding the job title, so then in that case apply. Before applying, don't forget to get the details about the job. Indian mechanic jobs in Oman. Ansab is the place in Muscat. I want an Indian mechanic with more than 5 years experience in a car dealership in Oman to work in a garage in Muscat, Khala. So they need a person who is Indian plus mechanic as well, and he has at least 5 years experience regarding the dealership in cars. So if you are interested, you have that much experience as well, and you are looking forward for the job as well. So then in that case, please contact them and share your CV on the following number. Then places Ansab once again, and Muscat, Ansab in Muscat. And this is Indian car electrician's job in Oman. Indian car electrician's job in Oman. They want an Indian car electrician who has more than 5 years experience in a car dealership in Oman. Once again, the car electrician is needed. The person is the nationality Indian is preferable, and the person should have 5 years experience as well in car dealership in Oman. Compensation 200. And if you are interested, so apply at the following number, share your CV and get the details. So that was my last job from the Oman. I'm hoping that there is you liked all these jobs, and applying will apply, and please give me the feedback as well. And we will meet in the next video with the new area and the new jobs. We will meet again in bye bye.